Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm in Northwest Cape Coral and I want to show you this beautiful home, the Estero floor plan, okay? And it has 1,981 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and double car garage, okay? So let's get going. Well, I did a earlier video of this same floor plan furnished, so I'm going to be putting it on the description below. So if you want to see this same floor plan furnished, okay? The only difference between that house and this home is that the garage. This has a double car garage and the other one had a triple car garage. And there might be some little difference inside, but more or less this should be the same, okay? This one's also available for sale. And if you're interested, just go in the description below. There you could check out the price. And if you want more information, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. And I'm gonna start my tour. If you're new to the channel, the way it works, I start, show the first around the house and then we move inside, okay? So over here, there's your shut-off valve right there. You got your electrical meter, AC, and your sprinkler system controls, okay? One nice thing about this builder is that they put landscape all the way around the house, so that's very nice. Nice Bermuda grass. And also you have a very nice lanai area outside. And the other home that I was talking about before, it was on a triple lot. This one's on a regular lot in Cape Coral. So this is what a regular lot in Cape Coral looks like, 80 by 120. So for you to know, you can look at the other one and you will see the larger lot. Okay. Check out this home being built back here. Also, very nice home. Over here in the Northwest, they're building all these types of homes. So they're almost building almost everywhere you could see. Check out over there. So it's a very it's a neighborhood that is very taking off right now. So this is your lanai. This home is not completed, as you can see. All those little blue dots are the little things they have to fix. And this builder goes through a lot of inspections because you're gonna see a lot of those little dots everywhere. So they're very thorough in what they do. And check out the landscaping. The landscaping is just beautiful. You got the street palms here. Nice. I like also the windows. It's very big windows, so it's very bright inside the house. And the ceilings are very high too, so let's go inside and take a look at it and tell me what you think, okay? It's a big difference when you don't see it with furniture. On the other video, this is the difference between furnished and unfurnished. And the other video gives you more idea what you can do. Okay, over here, this is the entry. As you can see, it's a very nice entry. And let's go inside. The door's locked. Let me put my code here. Give me a second. We're clear to enter. So you come in, you're walking with this nice entrance. Like I said in the previous video, actually I'm going to repeat myself in this video. Okay, you see here, check out the comfort ceiling with the crown moldings, and then you got your nice baseboards. It's very nice and very nice home. Okay, so here you're working with this nice entry, very wide. I hope the video is doing justice for it. You can see everything. Over here is comfort ceiling, this crown molding, very nice entrance. And then when we move over here, we move to bedroom number 1. Remember, it only has 2 bedrooms. That's on Cape Coral, that was kind of very rare. A lot of people were asking for 2-bedroom homes. For some reason, they don't need the 3rd bedroom. So what they're doing is 2 bedrooms and a den, and the den is a nice sized den. So we had a lot of customers that actually said, why I only want 2 bedrooms, why should I get 3 bedrooms? So I think the builders are starting to pick up on things like that, and they're building up these 2 bedrooms with a den, and very nice. This is really fancy house. Okay, over here, you got a closet, and over here, you got another closet. Then here, this is the guest bathroom. Hello, close the toilet seat. Oh, now let me do it again. That's just me, I don't like showing the toilets. Sorry about that. Should have walked through the house first. Okay, over here, your nice bathtub with tiles. Okay, and then here you got your nice sink. It's a solid top. Most likely quartz, but I don't know what to say. I don't think so. I don't think this is quartz. That one. I gotta ask the builder. I had the same issue in the other home, so let's just call it a nice vanity. Okay, now let's keep going. And over here you got your laundry room. You got your hookup for your sink here, your tub. And over here you got for your computer, you got your internet box here. See if I can open it. Yes, you see, you got all your hookups there for the TV. So you put your box here, and that way you don't have to have it in the middle of the house. That's nice. Then over here you have your AC system. And this is really nice that it's inside the middle of the house, so you avoid having noise throughout the house, so it's nice. And you know, you got a nice closet here. When you come in through the garage, you actually have this area here to put your stuff. Here's your double car garage. Your water heater over there, your electrical panel. That's the way to your roofs, to your attic, right through there. Okay. And so, like I was saying, when you come in, you can put all your stuff up here. And moving to the house. Let's come over here now to the den. Nice big den. I like the 2 windows, bring a lot of brightness in here. Let me show you the 2 windows. Nice. You got your pocket doors here. Nice, tall pocket doors. And then this over here is your living room, your kitchen, and back there will be your dining room, okay? So first I'm gonna go ahead and do the bedroom, and then we'll move back. So here's the bedroom. Very nice size. Nice ceiling. What I really like about these bedrooms are the windows. Very nice windows. And brings a lot of light inside. Okay, now we're moving into the master bathroom. So you can see a very nice big shower. Okay, over here. You get a bench at the end. Very nice. And this nice glass. It's nice. Okay, so we move over here and we have vanity. Check out the size of this vanity with 2 sinks. Nice, humongous mirror. And then over here, you got your toilet closet. And down back here, you move into your humongous closet. Okay. This can hold a lot of clothing. Take another look. Remember, like I said at the beginning of the video, I did a home already furnished, so you could have an idea what it looked like furnished. I'm gonna put the link below so you can see it. Also, the price. I'll put a link below with the price of this one. The nice thing about where I put the price is directly with the MLS, so it shows you the status. If you look at the status is active, that means good, you can buy it. If it's pending, it's already on the contract. So that's why I'd like to put that link, so that way, you know, you don't have to waste your time. But if you like this floor plan, they're building in other places. So let me know if you like it, if you'd like to find out more information on where the other ones are being built. Okay, here's something very cool. They have cabinets all the way down here. All of those are cabinets, so lots of space in this island. And the island is just amazing. It's very nice. Kitchen is a very nice kitchen. I think this one has 3 lights. I think the other home, the one with the furniture, only had 2. I'm not sure, but I think I only saw 2 lights. Okay, so over here you got your nice stainless steel refrigerator. And nice concept of having the microwave here with your oven on the bottom. And he also has, like, to put in those cookie sheets right here. You can put them down there for those long things that you put inside the oven, those sheets. I'm not too much of a cook, so I guess you figure that out. Okay, so over here it's your nice island. Okay, let me show you here with the sink. The nice thing at this is that you have your living room right across, and then you have your dining room here. So you're entertaining guests. You could be, you know, preparing the food and cooking at the same time. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so over here is your pantry. Nice size pantry. You could also add more shelves if you want. It's pretty high. And for those things that you don't take often out, or you're buying bulk, you can put them higher. And this, you know, offers you a lot of cabinet space. This kitchen offers lots of cabinet space. Okay, you have your hood, stainless steel hood, and your glass range over here. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So very nice. Okie doke. So, and over here is your dining room. If you look at the model home, the model home that I showed in the other video that I got the link, you will see they put a humongous table here, and everything fit well. So you can put a decent sized table here. One more thing over here, it's the lanai. Let's go outside. Wait a second, I'm probably over door. Got it. Let's go outside. Check out this nice lanai. Very spacious. Okay. And that you see there, this is a pocket door. It goes all the way behind. All these doors go behind that wall there. So if you decide to screen this or add a pool, all this becomes part of your home. As soon as you open that door fully, it becomes, I mean, you could feel like you're out here. Inside, it feels like part of the home in a sense. So a lot of people spend time out here. So over here they have a outdoor kitchen set up that you could actually install here. You got your sink there and plenty of electrical to hook up your refrigerator or whatever your ice maker you want to put out here. But this is where most of the people spend their time. Most likely you put a nice TV on the top there, and your chairs will be over there. And at night, in the afternoon, in a nice winter day, you can just come out here and just relax. So that's what Florida living is all about. So I hope you enjoyed this video of this floor plan. Okay, if you'd like to see it furnished, you can go on the link below, and I'll have the model will be there. Hopefully, maybe it will still be available if you like that one better with a 3-car garage. But I just wanted to show you one already furnished and one without being furnished for the people that watched the other video the first time. So this is what it looks without furniture. And for what I think, they're building a couple more. They're probably going to have a couple more for sales also. This same floor plan with double-car garage or triple-car garage. I gotta check that out. Okay. So if you're new to the channel, if you'd like to see more videos about Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida, feel free to hit the subscribe button. My wife and I have been doing real estate here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we can help you out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you on the next one.